So to me, I think there's a couple of things. So firstly, there's this huge gap between the knowledge that we have that resides in the global scientific community and its ability to be translated into end users. Now, the insurance industry for a number of years have been using these catastrophe models to be able to do that. But why have we not been able to get engagement from other users? And to me, that's one of the key things. We've tried to find a way of doing that by giving away the software, by using open source techniques, but that's just one methodology. And I think that we're going to have to collaborate more to make sure that we actually get something that is sustainable in this space. Perhaps one of the best things about today to me, and there was a question earlier on that highlighted this, is so what role does the insurance play in actually trying to make this happen? And I actually think that there's a huge possibility for us to actually take a leadership role. Today's event here that's been organized by SCOR is one really good example. There are other organizations around the world that are trying to push the technique and the data required to answer these questions and to make them usable in other societies, for governments and for local authorities. And that's where I think we're going to have to move now to make sure we can get this working practically. I think ultimately there's a slight distortion of a Gustav Flaubert quote that I think really matters here. So he said, we tend to disbelieve models and data for which we have no practical use. We've got to find a way of getting practical use for this information to get engagement from the wider community.